how custom SaaS can help small businesses. First, we need to understand the difference between a custom SaaS or a custom software versus off-the-shelf software. Anything out there that we paid subscription for, it's a ready-to-use software like a CRM. Let's say you just paid the subscription, or even without paying, you can use a trial version. For example, HubSpot, Salesforce, any other CRM, or CRM is just an example of a SaaS. It can be a project management tool like Jira, ClickUp, or Monday.com. So you are using any tool for your business to run your operation, and you're paying some subscription to some service provider. And that's one thing. That's what off-the-shelf software is. You just go buy it and start using it. And the other option is, which is custom software, that you say, okay, I want to build my own software for this operation. Let's say you want to build a software for your task management, right? This is quite good for certain scenarios, especially for small businesses. If they don't have enough money to pay a subscription, they can get a software built in a very costly manner where they don't have to pay much. With tools like Bubble or any low-code or no-code tools, they can get a software at a very lower price, which they can use for, let's say, a year. Because normally when they want to scale up, then they might have to upgrade it or add features into it. But still, the development cost would be much less than the accumulative subscription that they might be paying to off-the-shelf software. The other reason is that I think the custom software is advantageous, or it's recommended for small businesses or startups, is as they grow, the off-the-shelf software are charging them more for a very little added benefit. For example, a CRM, let's say you are paying $20 per seat subscription, and after a year you want to add 4 more seats because your team is growing. Now you are paying, let's say, $100, but there at the SaaS end or at the provider's end, there isn't much effort. Maybe, yes, they'll have to pay for more infra as their customer base or user base is growing, but it's very little for them and it's costing you more. But if you have a software where you control everything, it wouldn't cost you much adding 10 seats or 20 seats or even 200 seats, because after that level you would want to upscale it or add more infra cost. So overall, I think for small businesses, this approach is much better, where they can get a custom software, they can upgrade it, they can customize it. They cannot pay for the features that they don't use, even though the off-the-shelf software will provide you tier-based approach where you can buy or pay for certain feature that you use, but still you will still be paying for certain thing which you don't need. For example, a software, a company which just want to have this basic tool of task management, they don't need to pay a sophisticated tool or even basic version of a sophisticated tool like Jira or ClickUp or Monday.com. They can just simply create this thing in Excel sheet. The next best alternative is just simply create a basic software using some low code. That's kind of an added cost saving thing with low code development these days, how trendy it is. But even with conventional development, it would be far, you would say, beneficial, or in profit, it would be good for you if you are using only custom software and building as you grow more features into it and adding more into it.